Hey, how's everybody doing? It is Daniel Wiafe, the house flipping ninja, and I'm coming at you guys with another awesome video which is designed to help you make money with real estate. And so what I'm doing today, you guys, is I'm actually answering a reader question from Nick, the cash home buyer. But before we get started on this video and me answering his questions, I want you guys to do three things for me, okay? You ready? Number one, I want you to go ahead and hit the like button or the thumbs up button on this video. Number two, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then number three, I want you to comment in the comments area and let me know what city and state you are from, okay? So, and if you are looking for a real estate coaching, then I want you to jump to houseflippingdojo.com to join my free webinar where I teach you and give you the blueprints on how we made $200,000 in the past year flipping houses, no money down, okay? But let's get into the meat of this video. I'm answering Nick's question, Nick, the cash home buyer. Nick's question that he asked me, what are some low credit, no cash ways to find motivated sellers? Okay. Now, when it comes to finding motivated sellers, you guys, I consider myself an expert in that arena. So you want to keep it simple. Okay. If you have limited number of cash or resources to do marketing to find sellers, then you want to get and focus on the things which are going to give you the biggest bang for your buck and your time and your resources, okay? So the number one thing that you can do, you guys, is cold calling, okay? Number one, cold calling. Cold calling, it does suck, but it's going to be free and it's something that you can get deals off of if you make enough calls, okay? If you can get out there and make 100 calls a day, you guys, to people that are for sale by owners, if you can call for sale by owner signs that are in your city, you guys, and then just chat with them, all right? Ask them what is the lowest amount that you will accept for your property. Give them cash offers, which are 50 to 60% of the ARV on their properties, okay? And obviously 90% of everybody that you talk to is gonna say no, they're not gonna wanna do the deal with you. That's fine. You're not focused on them. You're focused on the 5 to 10% or even less of the people that you talk to who will accept your deal, okay? At the end of the day, you guys, real estate is a numbers game, okay? So the number one cheapest way that you can get motivated sellers is to do cold calling, all right? The number two thing, the second thing that you can do, you guys, is you can go driving for dollars, okay? Pick a general region, a neighborhood, a set of neighborhoods, and then just go driving around, look for properties that are vacant or they appear like they're vacant, they're beat up, they're distressed, they're falling apart, they got phone books stacked up in the porch, they may have boards on the windows and doors, and then you're gonna get the address and then you're going to mail them yellow letters. Once you look it up on the property tax assessor's website to see where the homeowner actually lives at, okay? You're gonna send them a letter which states, "Hi, James, my name is Daniel and I want to buy your house fast for cash. The house is located at 123 Main Street. Please give me a call or text at this number. Thank you, Daniel." And that's it. You're gonna keep it simple, okay? The third way that you can use, which is low cost, cheap, is you can do what is called JVing or co-wholesaling, okay? There's tons of wholesalers out there, you guys, that have deals on the contract, but many of them, they're not very proficient at finding cash buyers, okay? So if you have a big cash buyers list, which is pretty simple to build up, then you can connect with those wholesalers and then you can split the deal 50-50 by you providing the cash buyer to their property that they have on the contracts, okay? How are you gonna find these wholesalers? You're basically going to call every single bandit sign that you see in the city, okay? So if you see a bandit sign that's obviously not cheap house for sale, but if you see a sign that says "We buy houses," call every single one of those signs, okay? Look up "We buy houses" in your city on Google and call those people that own those websites, you guys, okay? So hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions on some cheap, inexpensive ways for you to market to find motivated sellers, let me know in the comments section, okay? And as I said before, you guys, don't allow ignorance or don't allow your lack of experience to prevent you from making six figures in real estate, okay? You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? Hundreds of my students before you guys in the past have been able to successfully wholesale their first deal. And I want you to become one of them, okay? I want you right now to go to my website at houseflippingdojo.com, sign up for my webinar, watch my free webinar teaching on how to wholesale houses in your city. And make sure you share this video to your friends. So again, this is Daniel Wiafe coming from beautiful and sunny Las Vegas, wishing you the best, and I will see you at the top.